Hello everyone, this is Preeti. We are here with the another question of exercise 9.2, page number 159, question number 4. In the figure, P is the point in the interior of the parallelogram ABCD. Show that the area of triangle APB, the triangle APB plus the area of PCD, the area PCD. If you are going to add both of them, then this will be equal to the half of area of ABCD. This is the part 1. So we'll start with the part 1. Now what we have given in the question, that P is a point in the interior. Now what we have to prove in the first question, we are going to write it. We have to prove that area of triangle APB plus triangle PCD is equal to the half of area of parallelogram ABCD. This one we have to prove. So first of all, I am going to construct or draw a line segment EF parallel to the AB. This one I have drawn it. Now we are going to write here. As we know that EF is parallel to AB. Now this is EF, this is parallel to AB. We have drawn it parallel. So if EF is parallel to AB and AD is parallel to BC, because they are the opposite sides of parallelogram and they are equal. So now if EF is parallel to AB and AD is parallel to BC and AE, now I'm going to take this one, AE is parallel to BF. A is parallel to BF. Now this one is parallel to this one and this one is parallel to this one. So AE is parallel to BF. This is the equation number 2. Now we are going to take the parallelogram ABEF. ABEF. ABFE. So we are taking this parallelogram ABFE. Now in this parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. So now I am going to take the another parallelogram, the parallelogram CDEF. Now we have two parallelograms ABEF and the CDEF. They are the parallelograms. Now are parallelograms. So now we are going to write here, we are going to take the triangle. First the triangle APB, the triangle APB. This one is, I am going to take this and the parallelogram ABFE. Now in this one, they are on the same base AB. So we are going to write here triangle APB and parallelogram ABFE are on the same base and between same parallel lines AB and EF. So the area of triangle APB is equal to the half of area of parallelogram ABFE. Now I am going to take the another triangle. Now the triangle PCD. Now in the triangle PCD and parallelogram CDEF, they are on the same base and in between same parallel lines CD and EF. So area of triangle PCD is equal to the half of area of parallelogram CDF, EF or FE, CDEF. So now we are having these two equations. So this is the equation number 3. Now this is the equation number 4. Now from equation 3 and 4. Now in both of them I am going to write here triangle APB and the area of triangle PCD. Area of both of them plus we have added this one is equal to the area of parallelogram ABEF plus CDEF. Now if we are going to, now at the place of this one we are going to write the area of triangle APB plus triangle PCD is equal to the, now half is there, so I am going to write the half as the common. So half, now ABFE plus CDEF, this will become ABCD. So we are having area of triangle APB plus triangle PCD is equal to the half of the parallelogram ABCD. So this is the part 1. Now comes to the part 2. In the part 2 we have to prove that the area of APD plus the area of PCB and the area APB plus area PCD both be equal. This means if we are going to add these two triangles, this will be equal to these two triangles. So now area of triangle APD plus area of triangle PBC, this one is equal to the area of parallelogram ABCD. Area of parallelogram ABCD. Now area of parallelogram ABCD, if from this one we are going to subtract the area of APB, this one, and the PCBD, if we are going to subtract this one from the parallelogram, then this area will remain. So I am going to write here minus triangle minus area of triangle APB plus triangle PCD. Now I am going to subtract this one from the parallelogram. Now we have proved in the part 1 that the area of triangle APB plus area of triangle PCD is equal to the half of the parallelogram ABCD. Now if I am going to take half on this side, I am going to transpose this to this side. So this will become 2 times of area of triangle APB plus triangle PCD. This one will be equal to the area of parallelogram ABCD. Now this is, I am going to take the equation number 1, this one. Now in the equation number 1, I am going to put the value of the equation number 2 at the place of area of parallelogram ABCD. I am going to put the value this one. So putting equation number 2 in equation number 1. So we are going to write here area of triangle APD plus area of triangle PBC is equal to the, now at the place of area of parallelogram ABCD, I am going to putting the value of the equation number 2. This one is 2 times of the area of triangle APB plus triangle PCD. Now this one minus area of triangle APB APB plus triangle PCD. Now we are having this one. Now APB plus PCD. Now here APB plus PCD. Now this is 2 times of the area and this is 1 time. Now we are going to subtract this one. So we are having 1 time. So area of triangle APD plus triangle PBC is equal to the area of triangle APB plus triangle PCD. So we are having area of triangle APD plus the triangle PBC is equal to the area of the triangle APB plus PCD. So this one we have proved. This is the part 2. With this one we have completed the question number 4. In the next video we are going to start with the question number 5.